Hello friends, welcome to TechStudyCell. In this video, we'll make a very useful home automation system using Tasmota and ESP8266 to control the appliances with Alexa and also from the manual switches. To make this project, you don't need any coding knowledge, and after watching the video, anyone can make this project within 5 minutes. And here you can see I have just used a NodeMCU and a relay module, so you don't need any PCB. And during the video I will share the complete circuit diagram and all other required information. But before going to the details, let me show you how this project works. Alexa, turn on switch 1.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on switch 4.
Okay.
And I can also use Amazon Alexa app to control these appliances. So you can see I can easily control all the appliances from Amazon Alexa app. Now let me use the manual switch to control these appliances. You can also use push button, and you can also monitor the real-time status. Now the lamp is off. You can see the status here in the Amazon Alexa app. Let me turn it on and the status updated. Now again let me turn the lamp off. You can see the status again updated. Now let me turn off the Wi-Fi and show you how this project works without internet. After turning off the Wi-Fi, I can control these lamps only from these manual switches. So you can see I can easily control it from this manual switch. Now let me turn on the Wi-Fi again. After turning on the Wi-Fi, I can control it with Alexa. Alexa, turn on all the lights. So you can see I can easily control it with Alexa. So without any further delay, let's get started. To make this project, you need a ESP8266 NodeMCU, a 4-channel relay module, and to control the appliances manually, you can use these switches or push button. And you need a Echo Dot or any Alexa device to control the appliances with Alexa. Now we have to connect all these components as per this circuit diagram. The circuit is very simple. I have given the 5V supply to the NodeMCU and the relay module, and these switches are connected across the GPIO and the ground pin. Now if you use push buttons, then you can refer this circuit. Again, the push buttons are connected across the GPIO pins and the ground pin. And this is the AC circuit. Please take proper safety precautions while connecting the appliances with the relay module. As you can see, there are a lot of connections, so to make the circuit compact, I have designed a PCB for this project. But as I said, you can also make this project without using any custom design PCB. Still, if you want to get this custom design PCB, then download the GABA file from the video description and order it from the JLC PCB. You can order any custom design PCB from JLC PCB with 3 simple steps. First, upload the GABA file. Then select the parameter like quantity, PCB masking color. Then place the order. If you select faster delivery service, then you will get the PCB within a week. And as you can see, the quality of the PCB is very premium in this affordable price range. So you can always try JLC PCB for your any custom design PCB project. Now these are the components required for the PCB. Now I will quickly solder all the components on the PCB. Now let me connect the NodeMCU with the PCB. Now let me connect the NodeMCU ESP8266 with the laptop. First, you have to visit this page to download the tasmota.bin file. So click on the tasmota.bin to save the file. After that, go to this GitHub page. I will share all the link in the video description. From this page, we will download the Tasmotizer. So if you have 32-bit system, click on this link. I have 64-bit system, so I will click here to download the Tasmotizer exe. Now go to the download folder, and here you can see you need these 2 files for this project. Let me open the Tasmotizer exe. So we have already connected the NodeMCU, and here you can see it detect the COM port. Then select the bin file and also check this box. Now click on open and select the tasmota.bin which you have downloaded just now. After doing all this, click on Tasmotize to flash the NodeMCU ESP8266 board. It may take some time. You can see the process successful. Click on OK. Now click on the send config button to upload the Wi-Fi credential. So I will check this box and here I will enter the Wi-Fi name and a password. After that, click on save. Then click on OK. It may take some time to update the Wi-Fi credential to NodeMCU. So wait for 5 to 10 seconds. After that, click on get IP. So you will get an IP to access the dashboard. So let me copy the IP. Then I will go to browser and here I will paste it. So this is our dashboard where we can configure all the settings. So first I will click on configuration, then select configure module. So here you can see Sona basic 1 is selected. So I will go to this drop down and select this generic 0 and then click on save. Now go to main menu. Now again you have to click on configuration, then click on configure module. So here you can see now generic 0 is selected. Now here we have to configure all these GPIO pins which are connected with the relays and switches. In this project, these are the GPIO pins connected with the relays and these are the GPIO pins connected with the switches. So here you can see GPIO 5 connected with the relay 1, GPIO 4 connected with the relay 2. So first I will configure all the GPIO pins connected with the relays. So let me go to the browser. So this is the GPIO 5 or D1. Relay 1 is connected with this GPIO and here I am selecting this relay underscore I as I am using active low relay module. But if you use active high relay module, then you have to select just relay. So as I am using active low relay module, so I am selecting relay underscore I and this is the first relay, so 1 is selected. In a similar way, the relay 2 connected with the GPIO 4, so again I will select the relay underscore I and here I have to select 2 as this GPIO pin connected with the relay 2. Now let me configure the GPIO pin connected with the relay 3 and relay 4. Now again I will go to the notepad and here you can see these are the GPIO connected with the switches. So let me configure these GPIO pins. So this is the GPIO 10 which is connected with the switch 1. So if you use switch, then you can select the switch here. But here I am selecting the button as I want to show you. You can also use push button to control the relays. So let me select the button here and this is switch 1. So 1 is selected and here you can see this is the GPIO 0 which is connected with the switch 2. So again I will select the button and this is switch 2. So I have to select 2 here. In a similar way, let me configure the GPIO pins connected with the switch 3 and switch 4. So we have configured all the GPIO pins. So if you use same circuit, then you can refer this configuration. But if you use different GPIO pins, then you have to configure the GPIO pin accordingly. After that, click on save and then go to main menu. So this is our dashboard and you will find 4 buttons here to control the relays. So if I click on this button, you can see I can easily control the relays. Now let me control it from the push button and you can see the status updated in the dashboard. Now we will configure the Amazon Alexa for this project. So again I will click on configuration and here you have to select configure other. Here you can enter the project name, say smart home. Now here you have to enter the name for the first device. Now Alexa will identify the device with this name. So let me give room light. You can give any name. For the device 2 I am giving outdoor light. For device 3 I am giving the kitchen light and device 4 will be night lamp. You can give any name as you want. Here you have to select this Hue Bridge multi-device, then click on save. Now we will set up the Amazon Alexa app to control the appliances with Alexa. Now let me open the Amazon Alexa app and go to device and here you can see no device is connected. Now I will tap on this plus icon and select the add device. Here I will select light and here I have to select others. Now tap on this discover devices. Now Alexa is looking for the new device and again During this time, the NodeMCU, Echo Dot and the smartphone should be connected with the same Wi-Fi. This may take some time. So here you can see Alexa found 4 devices. So I will go to device and select the lights, and in the lights you can see all the devices we have connected. During this process, if you face any problem, then just disconnect the Echo Dot and reconnect, then tap on the discover again. Now I will quickly connect the 4 AC lamps with the relay module as per the circuit. As you can see, I have connected all these 4 lamps with the relay module as per the circuit. Now let me turn on the supply. Alexa, turn on kitchen light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on night lamp.
Okay.
And I can also control it from the Amazon Alexa app. Now let me control it from the push button, and here you can see I can easily control the lamps from the push button. And as I said, you can also use switch if you want. For more such home automation project ideas, you can also join our Telegram channel Tech Study Cell, and I will really appreciate if you support us on Patreon. I will share all the link in the video description. So if you like this project, then please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.